Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can leave a group on Facebook. It's pretty simple. So you want to enter the group which you want to leave. So I want to leave this group called Deno. So what I need to do is, after entering the group, at the top it's going to display the group's name. So I'm going to click on the group's name Deno, but you need to click on whichever group you're in. Click on the group name. Once you're in the group name, it's going to show you all this. From over here, just scroll all the way down. You will see this option called leave chat. Click on leave chat and it's like showing you this warning, but if you're sure you want to leave it, click on leave. Once you click on leave, you will leave the group. And remember, when you leave the group, you cannot rejoin again unless somebody invites you. So if you are sure you want to leave it, then only do that. Because once you leave, you cannot enter, and after you leave the group, all the message or like all the new messages, you're not going to get any notification and you're not going to able to see what's happening inside the group. So you need to keep that in mind. So if you're sure with that, then only leave a group. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.